What are you doing, Ashlyn? Come on. Come on. Are you crawling? Are you trying to get to Dolly? Hey, Ashlyn. What are you doing, honey? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you going to do when you get to the wood there, huh? You lose your gription. What are you doing? Hey, Ashlyn. Ashlyn. Are you scooting across? You're trying to get to Dolly, aren't you? Huh? You want to get to Dolly? What are you doing? Hey, Ashlyn. Hi, Annie. Is that Dolly? What are you going to do now, huh? Now that you scooted over there, what are you going to do? You going to pet her? Be nice. Be nice to Dolly. Be nice. Yeah. Is that Dolly? Huh? Can you pet her? Can you pet Dolly? Ashlyn. Ashlyn. Fuzzy. Hey, Fuzzy Trump. Can you pet her? Can you pet Dolly? Be nice to her. Yeah, she loves you. See, she's just laying there. She's just laying there. She loves you, Ashlyn. Yeah. Can you pet her? There you go. Be nice. Bored with her? Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Where'd she go? Huh? Where's she going? Come on. Ashlyn, come on. Go back and get her. Come on. Come on, honey. Yeah. Bye. Bye, honey. Ashlyn. Bye. Ashlyn. Ashlyn, bye. You're so cute. Bye, honey.